Sakon Nakhon Airport will remain closed until July 31st due to floods in the northeastern region. 11 highways have been submerged and are impassable. The Highways Department says highways in 15 provinces are affected by the floods. 4 of the 11 submerged highways are in Kalasin, 2 in Sakon Nakhon, 1 in Mahasarakham, 3 in Mukdahan, and 1 in Roi Et. Commuters are encouraged to contact the department's hotline 1586 for information or assistance. As for Sakon Nakhon Airport, there is still flood water on the runway and taxiway. The airport closure will be reviewed on Monday, July 31st.